Thank you.
बढ़े चलो
Thank you. Thank you. Dr. Amar Patnaik ji. Please.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I rise to support the bill. This is basically a clarificatory amendment to let the states identify people belonging to the OBC and ACBCs. But why are we doing all this? We are doing all this for the welfare of OBCs and the socially and economically backward caste. What does this welfare mean? There are two questions here. Who to give it to? Who is the person? Who is the OBC? Who is the ACBC to give this particular welfare benefit to? Second, how many people to be given? What is the size of this OBC, ACBC? Who has to be given that? Because any kind of policy planning, particularly in these times, let us say during COVID, if we had to give ration, if we had to provide facilities, then we have to know what is the size. So there are two questions. Who to give it to and how many people to give it to. Now, these two aspects were addressed by our Honorable Chief Minister of Orissa, Naveen Patnaik, despite the 1992 Indira Sawhney case. Now let me explain how. First, in 2009, Orissa Act 6 of 2009, the Orissa Reservation of Posts and Services for Socially and Educationally Backward Classes Act 2008 was passed, enjoining 27% reservation for OBCs in every government jobs. But what happened? It went before the High Court of Orissa and got struck down. The result is that currently we have 22.5% for STs, 16.25% for SC, and only 11.25% for ACBC. So it is very important to know why this happened. Now let me go to the part of the judgment. The part of the judgment in which it was struck down in 2014, it says, we have gone through the affidavit and from its perusal, it is evident that the specific statement has been made at paragraph 13 of the affidavit that state-wise data on ACBCs is not available. For better appreciation, the statement made at paragraph 13 is being reflected here in below. Basically, data is not there. Now, we have been talking about the Indira Sawhney case. In the Indira Sawhney case, I would once again refer to paragraph 390 of that judgment.
Please
conclude. Says, the petitioner submit that the report leading to the impugned government orders is not based on any scientific or objective study or backwardness in the country. And any attempt to make reservation on the basis of the data supplied in the report is irrational, unconstitutional, and invalid. In fact, this is the crux of the problem in separate subsequent judgments in Nagaraj case. Taking care of this, Honorable Chief Minister of Orissa made a recommendation, made a letter last year to the Government of India that in the census, please have one particular column in which there would be OBC and ACBC's enumeration. But the Government of India replied that they are not in a position to do so. And therefore, the Government of Orissa on its own has started the OBC enumeration, has appointed a commission, and from May 1st that work has already started. Therefore, in this particular bill, while I support the bill, I think let us increase the envelope. Let us increase the ceiling. Let us have the caste census. Then we will be actually interested, will be successful in making the benefits reach the people to whom it is intended. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Patnaik. Honorable Dr. M. Thambi Dureji.
Thank you, sir. I raise to